Create a home office that's uniquely yours, where you can work, relax, collaborate, and meet with friends or clients. Get comfortable. Your office chair is the most important part of your office. An accent chair is a great way to keep the space professional, stylish, and comfortable. Find a desk that works for you, even if it isn't a traditional desk. If you have the space, adding a meeting nook with colorful chairs and an expandable table creates the perfect spot to meet and discuss projects, as well as give you a place to get away from the computer and relax. Cut down on clutter by storing all your office supplies and personal belongings in a bookcase or sideboard with drawers. Use vertical and horizontal storage options to maximize your space. Don't forget to add personal touches such as fresh flowers, family photos, and decorative accents. Create an office that inspires and motivates you to do your best work.